Okay, so it's early in the morning and I'm watching the bird sit over there and oh man, it flew away. Trying to just find something else. Still doing something. Still not much fun. Well, whoa, something just flew by. I don't know. Maybe it's invisible or something. But we're still watching. Still the same thing. Except for a little bit. Maybe the cat might come back. Unless somebody found it. It's like, yeah, there's some birds around. Let's see if another bird shows up. Yeah, there's another bird. It's like watching some birds. It seemed pretty cool flying around. You know, the way that God made them so that they could fly and design and do all these other stuff in their mind to think the way that they do so that they could fly right and get through all these other stuff. Yeah, I guess it's pretty cool. Guess we could just check out all of this. Huh. So today, I don't know what to talk about. Well, I was talking about like some detection, trying to detect what's going on. Like you find somebody that's pretty friendly or pretty mean or pretty nice. Or let's see, there's some bird over there. Hold on, where is it at? What? You ain't hiding. Why it's still there? Good, that's a bird over there. Let's see, storing some stuff. Yes. Let's see if we can find it. Uh, okay. There's a bird flying away. Man, gotta check out if you find any other stuff to do. Uh, seem pretty easy. It's not much stuff to do over here. Just hearing some birds tweet and some birds talk. It's a pretty good place. It's like they be sensing off of the stuff that I be thinking. Like a lot of people, sometimes it seems like they already know that I was thinking or something like that. I know it's pretty cool, ain't it? Yeah. Just trying to just find out all these other stuff. Trying to do a couple of other stuff. Trying to make it through here. See if we could get anything around. There's no moon or anything. Seem like it's just clouds. Uh, yeah. No birds. Maybe some of the birds might do something nice. Why wouldn't Hood Up dismiss? We won't. It might be cool if they do. So let's see. It's like a lot of stuff. Stuff moving a certain way around me, I guess, in my mind, or just the way that things work. Okay, the bird just flew by over here again. I think we might have got the dismiss we want right. And it probably might show me something. Oh, it just flew by. Oh man. So let's see. Okay, if they do some show, it'll be cool. So it's like, I guess if something happens, it'll be cool. But right now, there's nothing going on except for they're still talking. It'd be cool. You did show off something. And neighborhood seem pretty safe, and not much people coming around right now. It's early in the morning, so there's not really much going on. Some cars coming by. Let's see. Okay, car passing by. Let's see if we'll find something good. Something fell over there. I don't know if it was a bird or some illusion, or it could be a future sight or something. But my eyes keep reading a lot of different stuff, so if it shows a lot of stuff. Well, that's a bird. Okay, another bird showed up. Let's see if it does something nice. Okay. Okay, so it's flying around, hiding. Hold on, it's right there. Where did it go? Oh man, flew somewhere else. So the bird's showing a couple of stuff. I can't keep up with them right now. But I guess if I was fast enough and my eyes was a little bit better, and not on the camera that's kind of a little slower, you could get a couple more stuff. So, okay, that's a bird flying. Okay, where is it? You could have had a lot of fun, and I could have really tried my best to do what I can do, trying to do whatever. I really can't tell you, man, that's pretty nice. I mean, that's so cool. I do what I do when I party. So I just live the life like it really is. Just to me, I say, man, God granted me so much that I'm so much enjoyable just doing it. All right, that's good. I'm home, man. I'm loving this life. It's like, yeah, man, I still ain't that quite. They be like, yeah, they could tell you that's fights. They be just thinking that's what you really like. Yeah. I could do a lot of stuff. And I like enjoying. I think through a lot of stuff, getting a lot of other things. Maybe you might get some pretty cool stuff. But we're working at it. I think they still like, and they're still working at it. Might get to do a lot of other cool stuff. If I figure out how to get to the sky, maybe my transportation will build and I'll be able to make it to the sky and then show some pictures and some videos of it. We might get some pretty good scenes if God grant us some pretty good stuff. And if I learn how to do some weather control stuff right, the only thing that I could do right now is like, okay, let's see. Okay, the cloud just closed up a little bit. See, it's going, it's working. It's all the way over there. It's opening up on that side. Maybe. Yeah, it's opening up. But I guess, uh, let's try. Yeah, I guess that's all I could do right now. But I guess, I don't know if you saw exactly what I was looking at, but it just worked a little bit. My strength is not all that strong, but I guess that's all I could do right now. A little tired. My brain is feeling like a lot of pressure. A2. Is this some ducks? Ah, man. Hey, there's some clouds moving. Okay. It's a little low one. I don't know if it's some smoke or whatever, but it's just moving a little bit. Okay. Let's see. Trying to find something fun to do. But if I get the flight working or some speed, if I learn how to beat the speed and get even faster, I'll show you. But my brain is a little bit, I don't know. If I do this, I might get some absorbers coming to attack or some other stuff. Like if I think through it, like I get absorbed or get tricked or something. But I keep doing all these other fights and try to make sure. It's a pretty cool world. It's like you got this and all these stuff will attack. So you have your tricks and your abilities and your methods and stuff that you got to learn how to beat. So it's like, yeah, it do a lot of other stuff. So I guess it'll be cool. It became a lot easier. Usually it's a little harder. I usually be feeling a little bit more pressure, and the cloud would have been like morphing a little at ease. But right now it just moves a lot easier. See, there's a bird over there. Got some birds. Let's see a little closer. A little closer. Oh man, that's all as close as I can get. I guess I gotta move my hand. Okay. Is it gonna do anything? The weather pound. It's pretty cool. So it's like, if you don't see it, it's pretty cool. If you see it, it's pretty cool. Okay, let's see if it'll fly away. It probably won't fly. See? If I don't really won't fly, then I will talk to it. Really? Is it the plants? I don't know, something else also sounded. If I get a lot of these at it, it's like I gotta take a lot of pressure. Maybe when I finish, it'll be like pretty easy. It'll be like super easy to move the rest of the stuff. It's trying to make me move a lot stronger. Ah, the light went out. The bird won't fly yet. What is zooming in? Bro. Okay. Okay. I'm backing up, but it's zooming in. Okay. Okay. See? The bird's still there. It still won't fly. Nah, I don't zooming at it. It's pretty cool, ain't it? It just flew by. Cool. Another bird. Yeah. Welcome to another bird. Is it gonna do anything? If it does, something cool. And another bird. See. Let's see. It'll show something good. Yeah. Okay. So they're pretty cool. I hope they have a lot of fun with me. It's like a good day. Where's the other bird? So okay. I know it's like I'm pretending, ain't it? It's pretty cool, ain't it? Yeah. There's another bird. Two birds. Okay. Let's see. Okay. They're both getting in the picture. Yeah, they both did. Cool. You got any other ideas? The cat didn't come today. I guess I gotta go. Are they gonna fight or do something? Nah. Car passing by. If you get more excitement showing up, it'll be even better. It's like 15 minutes past. Let's see. There's like a lot of other stuff. I guess I gotta go and try to see if it's time for me to go. I gotta go back to work. So hope y'all enjoy. Alright, till next time, maybe when I get home or tomorrow, you'll see if there's anything else to do. I hope y'all enjoy. Thanks.